Hi, I have a right angle gearbox and a pulley for a belt drive for an old farm tractor. I'm guessing that's a 540 type PTO female. I think that's about a 540 PTO hole there. It does spin. But I don't know what brand this fits. If anyone could help me. It's another thing just sitting in my storage and I'm not using, so maybe this casting, I should maybe take a brush to this casting to see what that says. No, okay, 9N749. Yeah, 9N749. Can't tell what the top row. Wait. Oh, looks like there's 3 rows of numbers. Anyway, there's the other side. There's even a drain plug for fluids. So, I don't know, I just have no use for it. I want to figure out what it fits before I list it up for sale so I can figure out what it's worth. There's a little bend here that can probably pound it out with a hammer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.